Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. This is YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. I have a really simple dish I want to show you today and a great story that goes along with it. We're going to be making nonni's chicken salad. Obviously, chicken salad is not really, a spectacular dish or even a fancy one or even an Italian one. It's definitely something my great-grandmother learned while she was here. And it's rather simple. So I just have 2 chicken breasts that I poached. It's about 1.5 pounds of chicken. A little bit of salt in the water, but that's about it. And if you're at all unsure if they're done, you can always just kind of pull them apart or fork them apart just to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. And a lot of this is to your taste as well, but it's 2 stalks of celery. And this was a rather large red onion, but so about half of a red onion if it's that large. And you can go again more or less on this if it's something you like or something you dislike. The recipe itself is nothing super creative or crazy. It's a pretty standard chicken salad. What makes it unique is really going to be its texture. So my great-grandmother always had a meat grinder in her kitchen, and her chicken salad was always this great, light, fluffy. It was like spreadable, scoopable, and it was always really delicious. So that's just one of those things that's always kind of a memory for us, is just, having chicken salad at lunch at nonni's house. Now, I don't have a meat grinder. My mother actually, I think, still has nonni's meat grinder. I'm not even sure if it still works, but your food processor will work really well here. So to start, we're just gonna kind of roughly chop up our veggies into pieces here. Get these in there. And then same thing with our onion. And you just wanna pulse these a little bit till they start to break down some more. But again, nothing that you have to do a whole lot of work for. Okay, so that's about the size that we want, just some smaller pieces. They're gonna get smaller still. And now we're gonna add in our poached chicken. So you can kind of just by hand pull the pieces apart a little bit. And again, you don't have to go too crazy because the food processor is gonna do most of the work. So again, I know a lot of people have texture issues with food. This may not be the texture for you for your chicken salad, but again, it's how we like it, and it's how I make it and really enjoy it. So get all that in there. And you don't have to go crazy seasoning your chicken breast when you poach it, because we're gonna season the salad once it's all done. Scrape that down a little bit. Yeah, I gotta get those big pieces a bit smaller. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. So we're gonna transfer this into our bowl. And again, to dress it, we're really just gonna go simply with some salt and pepper. And I'm gonna use mayonnaise, which is what Nonni had made it with. But you don't have to go real heavy on the mayonnaise, or if you want, of course, there's a million other swaps for mayonnaise. So you could use a Greek yogurt, you could mash avocado and use that. So there's a couple different options here. But I'm gonna start with probably about 1/4 cup of mayo. We'll get that mixed in and see what this looks like. And again, a lot of the measurements here are to your taste. So yeah, but that looks like it's gonna cut it. There we go. Lunch is ready in under 5 minutes. Let's get this plated up. These days, I enjoy my chicken salad with some tortilla chips on the side for scooping, but Nonni always served it on white bread with pickles. Guys, the recipe is gonna be at caradifalco.com. I hope you enjoy this nice, easy lunch. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. That is it for this week in the Cucina. I'll see you guys next time.